We're in a location where we don't have a lot of storage, and we had to find something that could provide the functionality, but also was attractive and complemented the house. That's not easy. There are sheds out there that look really okay, only okay, but the Sheds by Design sheds really looked great. And when we stopped in, the staff was extremely helpful. We specifically focused on a couple of shed styles, size, and they were incredibly accommodating and gave us the information we needed. We ended up selecting a shed that had a metal roof, had a transom window, had a flower box on it, and had a couple of other finishing touches inside. The shed gave us both the room and functionality and also the attractiveness. Frankly, we were confident they could get it into the location we had set aside for that, and we knew we had a difficult location to put the shed, and we wanted to talk through that precisely. Well, not only did we talk through it, but he came out to the property and walked through it to see what trees we had to go by, where a corner of a deck might have been a problem for their tug and getting the shed in, and got that all resolved in advance, and the installation went beautifully. They've stood by the product from day one, and I just can't be happier with Sheds by Design, and I'm just really excited that they're a family operation. It really makes them special.